What if you could build a YouTube channel that earns up to $5,000 every single month, without ever showing your face, recording your own voice, or editing a single frame yourself? It might sound too good to be true, but right now, creators all over the world are using AI to automate their entire YouTube workflow, from brainstorming ideas to uploading finished videos, and the best part? You don't need any experience to get started. Let's break down exactly how you can launch your own faceless, automated YouTube channel, even if you're a complete beginner. Step 1 is choosing the right niche. Not every topic works for faceless channels, but there are certain categories where AI content absolutely thrives. Think about channels focused on AI tools and automation, tech reviews, finance and side hustles, motivation and inspiration, luxury lifestyles, or tutorials on editing, software, and productivity. These niches have massive search volume, high ad rates, and viewers who care more about the value you deliver than your personality or personal story. Pick one niche and stick with it. Consistency is key. Next, you'll need a steady stream of video ideas. This is where AI becomes your secret weapon. Instead of racking your brain for topics, just ask ChatGPT to generate a list of 50 video ideas for your chosen niche, or use tools like VidIQ's AI Coach, KeywordTool.io, YouTube's Search Autocomplete, or Google Trends. These platforms show you exactly what people are searching for right now, so you can create videos that get discovered automatically. No more guessing, no more creative burnout, just endless content ideas at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about scripting. This is where most automated channels fall short. You can't just copy and paste generic AI text and expect viewers to stick around. You need scripts that grab attention, keep people watching, and deliver real value. Here's a proven formula. Start with a hook in the first 10 seconds that tells viewers why they should care. Then, make a clear promise about what they'll learn. Break your content into value-packed sections and sprinkle in mini hooks every 20 to 30 seconds to keep things moving, and with a clear call to action. Use ChatGPT or Claude to write your script, but don't be afraid to ask for rewrites that sound more like a top YouTube educator. More personality, more punchlines, more engagement. In just a few minutes, you'll have a polished script ready to go. Turning your script into a full video is easier than ever thanks to AI video tools. Platforms like Lumen 5, Pictory, InVideo, RunwayML, HeyGen, and ElevenLabs can handle everything from visuals to voiceovers. Just upload your script, choose your style, and let the AI generate your video. No filming, no editing, no technical skills required. If you post daily, you can scale your channel faster than traditional creators ever could. But even the best video won't earn a dime if nobody clicks on it. That's why you need eye-catching thumbnails and smart YouTube SEO. Use Canva Magic Studio, Thumbnail.ai, or Midjourney to create scroll-stopping images. For SEO, rely on VidIQ, TubeBuddy, and YouTube's own keyword suggestions. Make sure your keywords appear in your title, description, tags, and even your script for better caption SEO. Mastering thumbnails and SEO is the secret to getting your videos seen and your channel monetized, especially in high-paying niches like tech and finance. Want to grow even faster? Repurpose every long video into shorts, reels, TikToks, Pinterest videos, blog posts, and LinkedIn carousels. Tools like OpusClip, Clipifm, and WiseCut can automatically cut your videos into short, viral clips. More content means more views, and more views mean more opportunities to monetize. So there you have it, the 5-step system to building a fully automated, faceless YouTube channel that can earn up to $5,000 a month. This isn't just theory. These are the exact strategies creators are using right now to build scalable, AI-powered channels. If you're ready to start your own automated income journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your YouTube success story starts today.